Okay. So the I guess the first few videos are gonna be about import address table protection. Now, the reason there's I want to focus on this is because uh, when it comes to when it comes to drivers and specifically anti-cheats and malware, even driver malware, the main thing that they try to hide is their imports, right? Imports are really important. I'm not getting into pack binaries right now. Again, I'm just talking about import address table protection, the IAT, right? Now, one thing you will notice anti-cheats do, and this is a very simple example. I know exactly where to go in the code, obviously, um, because I have the code right here, right? Is something they might do is they will avoid having functions that they use in their IAT. Now, here's an example: get current thread, right? If we go into our imports and we search get current thread, nothing, right? But that actually does exist. We're just loading it dynamically, and it does not show. It does not show in our import address table. So read that. Anyways, so obviously load library um, into RCX the first argument, and then we go down. Here we go. First argument, second argument, get current thread. Again, in a not perfect example, not only would they probably be using a custom loader, but they probably wouldn't even have the strings decrypted. I'm just sitting there raw. What am I saying? Decrypted. It wouldn't be sitting there raw. The string would be encrypted, and you would have to emulate with Unicorn or something to get the obfuscated string back. But this is something they might do, right? Wait, hold up. The fuck is this? All right. Anyways, back to this thing. So yeah. Now, as you can see, the result of get proc address is stored in RAX, and that is stored in a global keyword pointer in the data section. Now, this is something you'll see often, where the pointers will be in the data section. Now, some packers, what they will do, and I'll cover that in a few videos, is the raw value of that pointer after you dump the portable executable, whether it's a driver or a process, the raw value wouldn't be here, right? It would instead point to some stub, and that stub would return, I would do some decryption, and then it would return the actual pointer value. Just like VM Protect, actually. I'll cover VM Protect, I guess, if I'm gonna do something. Um, yeah, I guess just an introduction is enough.